Now 37 array equals, not new array, new int. Now, oh, this is a constructor, not an assignment operator. Somehow I always associate the assignment operator for this constructor. Okay, and now we can run the program. Write a few numbers to it and -1, and as you can see, it seems that it's copy well. So yeah, that was the copy constructor. Now make the assignment operator, because I somehow always do want to do so make the assignment operator, because the assignment operator has this return type, so we return the array itself. There is the self-assignment and so on. So my vector, and actually return with a reference, because we want to be able to do a chain. So A equal B equal C equal D. This can be achieved only with references. Alright then, make the operator equal, so assignment, and it will wait my vector reference, which actually a const, because we don't want to change that. Clear? Right. Just copy this, but don't forget, if you copy, you have to change a few things, because you will make mistakes like I do. So my vector, and delete this. Okay, let's see. For now we have to check the self-assignment, right? So this not equal to the address of my vector, then we want to do something, and we return with this and the end of the so outside of this. Never mind if we do something or not, we will return with this. Alright then, let's make it. So first of all, we need to max size to v.max size. As you can see, I forget to make to give a name of the parameter, because I copy and paste, so I suggest you to do not follow me in this way, so do not copy and paste. Okay, so v.max size, okay, v size, not size, equal to v.v size, and then we delete the array, we don't need that, and make a new array. So new int, don't forget, don't write array, what a stupid thing would it be. So yeah, max size, and now I just want to copy the elements like I did in the moment before. It should be somewhere here. Oh, where does the copy constructor is? Yeah, there it is. And so just copy these elements. Okay. Oh, this is that's right. And now it should work. The self-assignment means we want to make vec equal to vec. Let's see what would happen in such a situation when we make vec equal vec. First of all, if there is no check in here, so without this, this two line wouldn't do anything harmful, because just make, for example, 20 to 20 and 0 to 0, so it doesn't make anything bad. Then we delete the array. Although it is not bad, it can be achieved, but here, actually here, we want to copy from a deleted array. So because we delete array equals deleted v.array. So we want, so in this case we want to copy from a deleted array, so a deleted memory which may be used for other purposes, and it will be catastrophic. And with this, if the vec and make this statement, then the this is equal to the address of my vector. It's simple, don't do nothing else, just give back the this, so it will not be harmful at any way. So that's why it is needed. These two lines just override our value to the value which we use here, so which we use the vector v, and delete arrays because we just simple override it, we don't need it. But actually, yeah, okay, that's it, and it should work. So make my vector vec2 to vec2, and make vec2 equal to vec. Actually we already have a vec2, we want is vec3. Okay, and make vec3 equal to vec. And now we can write out this again, so to check that is it work or not. Just change it to vec3 like that. Now we can save it, we get a terminal, and we try to compile it. It seems that we left out a semicolon, so where the problem is, let's see the error message again. Oh, I don't put the name, I put the type here. This is a serious problem, although this can be fixed very easily. Okay, just type 3 number, and yeah, I forget to make a new line, but it seems that it is work. Simple enough, right? Okay, yeah. That was it for this tutorial. Don't delete this source code if you already typed in, because we will use this source code to practice to make a default, so a normal program, so a normal function and class, to a template functions and classes. Okay, so don't delete this program, this may be needed, and later we will develop it a little bit more. Okay, I want to go over the program briefly again. If you understand, you can exit now, and thanks for watching and have a great day. The others who left here, I just want to go through the program briefly to explain it if I didn't explain it right in the first place. Okay, first we create two variables, size, the actual size, and the max size. Okay, I want to show you again this drawing. Okay, so the size is how many actual elements in it. The max size is how many elements to be allocated. So in this case, if there is no elements in here, the size is 0 and the max size is 2. It should be, I think, pretty simple. Okay, we have an array pointer which actually points to the start address of the allocated memory. So right here, so the start address. We can change this because it is not constant, so if we just deallocate the memory and allocate it some other place right here, then we just change the array pointer to this new address. Simple enough. Okay, we have an alloc new function which will do to allocate new memory. So it's allocate twice of that much memory than in here. It's copy the elements, simple copy all of the elements to the new array, and change the array pointer to the new array. But before it's do, it's deallocate the memory which is allocated. And now it is just one array. So yeah, okay, the constructor should be pretty straightforward, except the last one, the copy constructor. Let's go to the copy constructor. So briefly to the normal constructors, it's just set variables like max size and v size to the value which it should be. So if I will make a tutorial to static constant variables, these are the only one that can be initialized inside the class and only have one instance and cannot be changed, then I will make it that, but there is just one instance, so it's easy to change in this way too. Okay, so we make the max size to 20 at the normal. So in this case we would allocate 20 of this cells, actually 20 times 4 because the int is 4 bytes long. Okay, we allocate a new memory and we set the address, so the array pointer, to the start address of the allocated memory. Simple enough. We do it in here the same, just get the size from the user. Okay, simple enough. It is the copy constructor. I screw it a little bit, but never mind that somehow I refer to make the assignment operator instead of the copy constructor. Okay, first we just allocate everything. That is the our goal, to allocate everything in here. So we make a max and a size, and we allocate memory with the new so new memory, we allocate memory. So this part is simple. We just copy everything from the other class. This will not work if we would make it a v.array. So v.array, that would be a big problem. Actually, why don't it comment it out? So that would be a problem, because if we will delete the v array, so if we will delete this, then this class cannot even achieve that. So in this case, if a would be equal to b, and if we would change only the b, the a would change as well. Actually, it would change badly, because array points to the memory address, which is actually which actually deallocated, so it may use another program and it will be catastrophic. That's why we have to create our own new array instead of copy the other's array. In this case, other cases, we copy by value. In this case, it doesn't affect each other, but if we give back the pointer, that will be a big problem, right? Alright, and here this should be very familiar to you. We just simply copy all of the elements from one array to another. This is very straightforward. Okay, the destructor is called automatically in the end of the so when destroyed, so array is destroyed, vector is destroyed, this will be delete the array. So if it's shows somewhere, for example in this case we destroy it, just simple deallocate the memory, and with this we don't have memory leaks. So it is just as simple as that.